Studying at a university abroad brings a host of advantages. Living abroad not only enhances interpersonal skills, but also fosters cultural understanding. It widens your horizons and offers unique learning experiences. When you earn a degree from an international university, particularly in the USA, it can significantly enhance your prospects for higher-paying jobs due to 1. Global recognition. U.S. degrees are highly valued worldwide, elevating your status as a desirable candidate in the job market internationally. 2. Networking. Studying in the U.S. provides a chance to establish a global network, connecting with peers, professors, and professionals from diverse backgrounds around the world. 3. Cultural adaptability. Engaging in education abroad enhances your cross-cultural skills, making you an attractive candidate for multinational companies that value a diverse and adaptable workforce. 4. Research and innovation. The USA serves as a hub for innovation, offering unparalleled access to cutting-edge research, technology, and abundant resources, fostering an environment conducive to academic and professional growth. To apply to a U.S. university, follow this step-by-step process. Step 1. Research. Begin by researching universities and programs that align with your academic and career goals. Consider factors such as faculty expertise, available resources, and campus culture. Step 2. English language proficiency. Take an English language proficiency test, often the TOEFL, test of English as a foreign language. This assessment evaluates your English skills in reading, listening, speaking, and writing, ensuring you meet language requirements. Step 3. Standardized tests. Depending on your chosen field, prepare for standardized tests like the SAT or ACT for undergraduate programs, or the GRE or GMAT for graduate programs. These tests assess your aptitude and readiness for academic success. Step 4. Application. Compile a comprehensive application, including transcripts, recommendation letters, and a well-crafted statement of purpose showcasing your academic and career aspirations. Step 5. Financial aid. Explore scholarship, grant, or financial aid options available. If self-funded, be prepared to provide proof of financial means to cover tuition and living expenses. Step 6. Visa and immigration. Apply for a student visa, typically the F1 visa. Gather necessary documents, including the Form I-20 from the university, to facilitate a smooth visa application process. Step 7. Health insurance. Obtain mandatory health insurance coverage for international students. Ensure you fulfill this requirement to prioritize your well-being during your stay. Step 8. Accommodation. Arrange for accommodation, whether on campus or off campus, ensuring a comfortable and conducive living environment. Step 9. Pre-departure checklist. Finalize travel arrangements, pack essentials, and complete necessary preparations for a smooth transition. A well-organized pre-departure checklist ensures a seamless start to your educational journey in the USA. University application process. Quick guide. Step 1. Program research and selection. Explore American universities and programs using college websites, search platforms, and government-sponsored sites. Consider factors like program relevance, location, and university size. Step 2. Check admission requirements. Review admission criteria on the university's website, focusing on academic transcripts, standardized test scores, SAT or ACT, and English proficiency tests, TOEFL or IELTS. Step 3. Financial planning. Calculate program and living expenses, exploring scholarships and financial aid options. Step 4. Application process. Complete application forms, provide transcripts, test scores, recommendation letters, personal statements, and pay application fees. Step 5. Submit application. Ensure timely submission, meeting specific deadlines based on early decision, early action, or regular decision. Step 6. Await admission decision. Patiently wait for the university's admission decision, which may take several weeks to months. Step 7. Apply for a student visa initiate, the student visa process upon acceptance, involving SEVIS fee payment, DS-160 form completion, and a visa interview. Step 8. Prepare for departure. Organize travel and accommodation details, ensuring all required documents and funds are in order. Step 9. Attend orientation. Participate in the university's International Student Orientation for campus familiarization. Step 10. Start your undergraduate degree. Upon arrival in the U.S., commence your undergraduate studies while maintaining visa compliance. Tips for international students. Quick guide. Always rely on the official university website for accurate and current information on admission, program costs, and application procedures. Utilize resources like College Board's Big Future, providing a comprehensive tool for college and scholarship searches. Seek guidance from Education USA centers in your home country for support throughout the application process. Explore scholarship databases like FastWeb and scholarships.com for additional financial aid opportunities. Applying to a U.S. university as an international student for an undergraduate degree is a rewarding experience. Success depends on thorough research, careful planning, and meeting deadlines. F1 Student Visa Application. Quick Guide Preparation. Steps. 1. Acceptance from a U.S. institution. Ensure acceptance from a U.S. university or college and obtain an acceptance letter or Form I-20. 2. Pay the SEVIS fee. Pay the SEVIS fee online using information from your Form I-20. 3. Gather required documents. Collect necessary documents, including a valid passport and completed Form DS-160. Application steps. 4. Pay the visa application fee. Check the fee on the U.S. Department of State's website and pay using your preferred method. 5. Schedule a visa interview. Visit the U.S. Embassy Consulate website, schedule an interview, and keep your DS-160 barcode accessible during the process. 6. Attend the visa interview. On the day of your interview, arrive at the embassy or consulate on time. Be prepared to present the following documents to the consular officer: your valid passport, Form DS-160 confirmation page, Form I-20 from your U.S. institution, SEVIS fee receipt, visa application fee receipt, passport-sized photos as per specific requirements, transcripts and diplomas from previous institutions attended, standardized test scores, e.g., TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, etc. Financial evidence demonstrating your ability to cover tuition and living expenses. Any other documents specified by the embassy consulate potential interview questions. During the visa interview, consular officers may ask questions such as: 1. Why did you choose to study in the United States? 2. Which university or college have you been accepted to, and what will you be studying there? 3. How will you fund your education and living expenses in the USA? 4. What are your plans after completing your studies in the USA? 5. Do you have any family or relatives living in the USA? 7. Visa approval and issuance. If your visa is approved, the consular officer will place a visa sticker in your passport. You will also be provided with information on when and how to pick up your passport. 8. Visa denial, if applicable. In the event that your visa application is denied, the consular officer will provide a reason for the denial. If you believe you can address the concerns that led to the denial, you can reapply. 9. Travel to the USA. Once you receive your student visa, you can make travel arrangements to the USA. Ensure that you carry all relevant documents with you when you enter the country. It's essential to note that procedures may slightly vary depending on the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Starting the visa application process well in advance and being well prepared for the interview can help ensure a smooth transition into your academic journey in the USA. Studying abroad offers unparalleled personal and professional growth, fostering cultural understanding and providing unique learning experiences. A U.S. degree amplifies these benefits, providing global recognition, expansive networking, cultural adaptability, and access to cutting-edge research. Applying to a U.S. university involves thorough research, acceptance confirmation, SEVIS fee payment, document gathering, visa application, and interview. Tips for international students include relying on official university sources and utilizing resources like Big Future and Education USA. The F1 student visa application entails acceptance confirmation, SEVIS fee payment, document gathering, visa application, interview approval, and travel preparation. Early preparation ensures a seamless transition into U.S. academic life. If you find this video useful, like it, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up.